Hi, my name is Brett Stuckey. I'm from RTI, and here we have in front of us is some accessory products that we're coming out with really to help our dealers install larger installations easier. We have an RCM4, which is a relay control module. It has 4 independently controlled relays that can be controlled with infrared, but they can also be controlled via Ethernet. So along with our XP series processors, as long as this is plugged into the local network, you have instant relay control straight across the network. We also have coming out the IPE4, which just is a very easy way to expand the IR output of our control processors via 3.5 millimeter mini jack. Gives us 4 independent 4 IR ports for easy IR expansion. And then we also have the ESC2, which is basically a serial expansion device, again, that is Ethernet control. So again, as long as the ESC2 is plugged into the network via just standard Cat5 cable, it can be extended pretty much anywhere, and it gives them 2 serial ports for easy serial control expansion. Thank you very much. RTIcorp.com for more information. Thanks.